it is time to invite Nolwenn Febvre. So again, Nolwenn Febvre is a nurse anesthetist at Rennes University Hospital. And in France, she's really famous because she took the initiative to spread programs that are really interesting. And she will explain us what are these programs. Nolwenn?
Thank you, Pierre, and thank you for this presentation. I just want to explain our story. In 2012, with medical staff, we create a non-profit organization, Les Petits Doudous, that means little teddy bear, to encourage the hospital staff to act sustainable. And the aim of this non-profit organization was recycling waste to finance our project, act to reduce anxiety, and finance gift for all the operated children. And our project is to decrease anxiety. The anesthesia mask was proven to be the worst anxiety factor in pediatric anesthesia. In this study of Ziv Keynes, the score increased on the way of the operating room. So, with recycling aluminium, we pay stickers and you use for the children to customize his mask, and it permits to prevent to the acceptance of the mask for the inhalation induction. Then the Les Petits Doudous created a serious game. You are the hero. The medical staff was modelized in this game, and it makes the child an actor of his anesthesia. It's very important and change our practice in anesthesia. This game is now used to evaluate anxiety with emoji, and this serious game became our standard of care since study proven its efficacy in decreased anxiety. This action were possible with thanks to the mobilization of the medical staff. We found different metal, like copper in electrosurgery unit, stainless steel in intubation blade, aluminium in caps and suture package. It's very important to encourage and encourage the staff to act sustainable and to recognize the fact to do this action. We plant the fundamental element for the organization in the operating room. Ergonomy is very important, it's the key. It's very, very important to explain and present to the medical staff what's the organization in the operating room. Today, we are 50 centers in France, created sister non-profit organization with the same model undercover Les Petits Doudous. We have a common chart: recycling hospital waste, save hospital money, remote and finance project in anesthesia, and reduce ecological impact of healthcare. It's very important now. In France, next year, with this group, we recycle 40 tons of hospital waste in 1 year. It's very important. Thank you.
Thank you, Nolwenn. This is an impressive project that you lead. And we have all probably questions to ask you and to understand how you do that and why you did that. So the first question, what is the starter? What is the spark that pushed you to do this?
Yes, it's an incredible story. In first, it's very difficult for me to bear the crying of children.
So you work in pediatrics?
Yes.
Okay.
And I change of my job. I think it's better for me. No. What can I do, me? in this operating room. So it's the reason of the creation of the first one, non-profit organization. I feel alone. Today we are 50 non-profit organization in France. It's very interesting because in this organization we are anesthesists, assistant nurse, surgeon. The entire of operating room is represented.
Okay, so these initiatives comes from only decrease anxiety and cries and tears of the children. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. I know that you had a lot of support in your department by colleagues, by surgeons, operating room nurses. Did your administration help you?
It's a good question. It's a different project today. The world is changing.
But you skipped a step, in fact.
Yes. Oui.
Because again, that's difficult to recycle something to give the funds to an initiative.
I never realized this project is like today on the first. Yes, we have many support to this project, and it's very.
What are the supports now? What kind of support you have?
It's very important in society to have corporate social responsibility, and the company help us by this way. It's very interesting for us, for a non-profit organization. And now the foundation of the former president of the French Republic help us this year. It's very, very important for us. And it's a social innovation project. And it's for this reason that the global NGO Ashoka named me this year Fellow Ashoka, to do it better, and so also with us to do better in France and all over the world, and to do better for the planet, for the economy, and for the people.
Okay, so you close the circle. Jeanne, you have a question.
Yes, Nolwenn. So Nolwenn is, we are following her story since 2, 3 or 4 years, and it's a very successful story, and we learn a lot with Nolwenn. And the most important thing I would like to repeat that is that you reinvest the benefit that you made with sustainability into project. And into project, in your case, for children, but you can reinvest that for the people working in the hospital. And you really create a virtuous circle with reducing carbon footprint, reducing costs for hospital, but also reinvesting money in project. And that's a very, very important thing to motivate the workers and to create those projects.
Yes, I think it's a good way to have in hospital today and after for change the hospital, and everyone is actor for change the world and have a sustainability action at home and at hospital. Yes.
But in fact, let's be realistic. In fact, when you see sustainable projects in the hospital, usually the recycling benefits we get from the recycling single-use devices is to refinance the hospital. Yes. So we are losing a lot of things. We are losing the benefit on the social pillar of sustainability.
I think the secret of the project is that one intubation blades, with this money, we can finance one gift for one children. It's direct, and it's a very important sense for all the people who work in the hospital.
You use emotional arguments, and sometimes it doesn't touch all the people that are managing our hospitals.
Yeah, but you can also negotiate with your administratives the fact that if you implement your project, and you will reduce the cost for the hospital. They can do something for you, for your project, for the people working in your operating room. So I think you have to negotiate that with the administrative when you start the project. That's one the
Yes.
top thing to do.
Everyone is a winner. The hospital with cost save money, and the finance our project for the patient of the hospital.
Yeah, I think that Nolwen's project is great because she reduced the cost for the hospital. She reduced the carbon footprint. She can finance her project. So a project that earn money, I have never heard that before. Project cost.
Yes, yes, we have all in our specialty, anesthesiology and also intensive care and also surgery and every high risk specialties. We want to improve safety by improving team working, by improving collaboration, by improving interdisciplinary and interprofessional communication. And your project is a good way to improve all this. We have all the same goal, care the people, and to center our care to the patient. We can also go through this.
Yes, the function in the hospital is not the subject. The subject is sustainability.
I have a last question. Last year when we met, we asked you what is the process to do your project, and you told us, I take myself all the recycled products to the recycling area. Now the support that you have, do you have a management support to make it professional? Because if I want to do it here in my hospital, if I want to do the same, we need a management act to know how to do it. Because you told us last year you do it yourself. So the support you have today, it helps you to discharge for this part of recycling the products?
Yes, the model is easy to make in another hospital, but this team Les Petits Doudous is a real group, and we every document we give to the other hospital, and it's very important. With the foundation NGO, it's very important for us to do better, to organize this system, to professionalize this one now, to do in our country, other country, and act in this action.
So you are also involved not only in France, where you are a green star. Do you have same initiative? Do you export Petit Doudou in other countries?
The first one is in Belgium.
In Belgium, yes.
Now, and it's a very important job in France, but it's necessary to professionalize that to do in other country.
Okay, so this is important because this session is broadcasted to, I have the numbers, 23 countries. Now, now we have 23 countries. We know that a lot of colleagues and professionals are connected from North Africa, West Africa, Middle East, a lot from Lebanon, and lots of countries. So if they are interested,
come with us. Come with us and do the
your
same.
phone number?
Of course.
And Henrik, in Sweden, do you have such project? Do you have nurses like Nolwenn that implement?
That we keep Nolwenn.
Yes, yes, we do actually. Everything is recycled, but it can always be enforced or simplified more, of course. But yes, we have an extensive recycling. But it's one thing to recycle or to collect things. It's also another thing to do something productive with the recycled items.
Okay. And do you promote project with those recycling benefits?
Yes, we actually do, and we have a lot of regulatory goals within both the government and the private sector that you should decrease the carbon print, and that's why it's so interesting because one of the focused things is that you are not allowed to travel by car or plane anymore, but we are allowed to travel to South Africa with Deathran every day. So no matter what we do, it's not going to be make any change if we don't change all aspects of the environment problem. And besides switching to low flow or metabolic flow sevoflurane, you save about 50% from 0.6. So there is a lot of aspects, and you have to take a joint effort to do everything.
Yes, and there is a subject we didn't have time to discuss, is education, green education. And in fact, ISFAR is the best way to do green education and to broadcast all these sessions. And thank you very much for this session. Thank you.